Hello, today we will guide you through how to import contacts, companies, deals, and tickets to HubSpot. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the main home screen. Starting from the home area helps you navigate from a familiar place and makes it easier to find the import tools quickly. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click the contact icon. This opens the area where HubSpot organizes your CRM records and related data. From there, click on Contacts to enter the Contacts section. When the Contacts page loads, move to the top right corner and select Add Contacts. This opens a menu with options for adding records manually or bringing them in from a file. Since the goal here is to import data in bulk, click Import. At this point, HubSpot may offer different setup paths. Choose the option that says I'll set up myself. This is the manual route and is useful when you already know what you want to import and simply need access to the import workflow. After that, click Import Data. This takes you into HubSpot's import area where you can begin preparing your file for upload. If you are importing contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, this is the place where HubSpot will guide you through matching your file columns to the correct HubSpot properties. Next, click Quick Import. This option is designed to help you move through the process more efficiently, especially if your file is already prepared. Before you continue, it's a good idea to confirm that your spreadsheet is clean and organized. For example, make sure each column has a clear header and that the information in each row belongs to a single record. A well-formatted file makes the import process much smoother and reduces the chance of errors. From here, follow the on-screen procedure in HubSpot. The platform will walk you through the remaining steps, such as selecting your file, identifying the type of records you want to import, and mapping your fields. Take your time during this part because accurate field mapping is important for keeping your CRM organized. If a column in your file doesn't match correctly, the imported data may not appear where you expect it. As you complete the process, review each selection before confirming the import. That final check can help prevent duplicates and make sure your contacts, companies, deals, or tickets are brought into HubSpot correctly. That's it. You've now seen how to access the HubSpot import tool and begin importing your CRM data using the quick import flow.